Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you very much for tuning in. In this video, I'll be taking you through the frequently asked questions about Scribie, which is a web-based transcription company. And I hope you learn something new today. Transcription involves listening to recorded audio or video and typing what you hear word for word. The audio files are diverse and can include focus groups for market research, phone calls, Zoom calls, interviews, meetings, and many more. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, so this video can be recommended to more people who might find it useful. On to the first question. How much does Scribie pay per hour? According to Scribie's official site, the company pay ranges between $5 to $20 per audio hour. The payment depends on several factors like the quality of an audio, level of difficulty, among other things. It's also important to note that payment is by audio hour and not the actual time spent working on an audio file. This means that payment for a 6-minute file can therefore vary from 50 cents to $2. The second question is, how do I get started on Scribie? Just like most of the other transcription companies out there, to be accepted on Scribie, you need to pass a certification test. All new applicants must go through a test process to become certified transcribers on the site. The crucial skill that Scribie looks for is the ability for one to correct manual and automated transcripts, and once you have passed the test and is certified, you will be able to select files which are available for transcription and work on them. Question 3 is, what payment method does Scribie use? So far, all transcribers at Scribie are only paid via PayPal. After each submission is received and accepted, your payment will be sent to your Scribie account. You can then withdraw your money to your PayPal wallet at any time. And for this to work, you must first ensure that your PayPal account is verified, and by verified, what it means is that you must link your PayPal account with your local bank account or bank card. The best thing is that there are no minimum requirements for you to withdraw, but it's important to note that you'll be charged a 2% fee for any withdrawal less than $30. Fourth question is, how many jobs can I take in a day as Scribie? You are not restricted on the number of jobs you can take in a day. You can take as many jobs and submit as many files you can each day. This means that your earning capacity depends entirely on your ability and commitment working on the platform every single day, but are only limited to one job at a time. Question number 5 is Scribie worldwide? The answer to this is yes, Scribie is worldwide and has more than 30,000 home-based transcribers around the world. This means that you can apply to join the Scribie transcription team from any country in the world. Whether you're in the US, Canada, Kenya, India, China, and the list goes on. The only thing that could limit you from applying for a job on Scribie is the availability of PayPal in your country, and this is because Scribie only pays via PayPal, just like I had mentioned earlier. Now the sixth and last question is working for Scribie worth it? From the look of things so far, it seems that the biggest problem that most people have with the platform is the pay. A lot of transcribers on the platform say there are definitely jobs available for them, but the pay is too low compared to the amount of work you put in. Considering it takes on average 4 hours to transcribe one audio hour, this means that you can make between $1.25 to $5 per actual hour. What this means is that Scribie doesn't really provide a livable wage, but it is still a great side hustle that can help you make some extra money on the side. Now we have come to the end of the video. And if you found it helpful and want to see more similar video on different transcription companies, please leave a like and let me know in the comment section which other transcription site you want me to talk about. See you next time.